Lastly, why did you choose Baguio for your family vacation?
We've never been here. Kaya, at saka sabi daw nila, malamig daw dito. Kaya, hindi mainit katulad ng Manila. So, why not?
Requested ng anak ko na makita din ang Baguio.
I've been here 3 times. And every time it's a different experience. So I'm back.
With your 4-day stay in Baguio, what tourist spots have you visited? And what are your feedback?
There's that overlook, Mines View
Mines
Park.
View,
That
yes.
was nice. You can see the mountains, the valley underneath, yung farm, flower garden,
The botanical garden
botanical gardens too.
is
It's
excellent.
nice.
Yes, very nice.
Very nice.
And the Mount what's that, Otis or
Olis.
Olis, yeah.
That
That's
was
a good
nice
one.
too.
Very nice also.
And the flower garden there.
The northern
Cordelia.
Blossoms.
northern blossom.
We will not mention the zigzag part.
I've been to all the city places, but the garden, the farm, is truly amazing. I think I love driving, so I love the zigzag road. I love that road. It's
Okay.
very fresh, not crowded, and
February is the Flower Festival in Baguio. If given the chance in the future to come back to Baguio, would you like to see the festival?
Yes.
Absolutely.
What in particular would you be interested to see and witness?
The flower arrangement.
how they present the flowers.
Me is the preparation for the floats, I guess. That would be interesting.
That'll be an overnight show.
Okay. Lastly, would you recommend Baguio to other friends and relatives and why?
It's such a nice place. I would come back.
Yeah, definitely. The weather is good, except for the traffic.
I think Baguio is highly recommended if they organize a friendlier, more accessible transportation because there's no parking. If they put like a tourist thing and people get on and go around and people can see more and appreciate more.
That's true.
And a little bit more age friendly. Some
Yes.
places that like my mom couldn't go down the gardens but she loves flowers. So it's very restricted. So in that sense, so sana yung lahat pwede. It's one for all and all for one kind of an approach.
Yes,
Good
yes,
point.
yes, yes.
Thank you.